New Zealand lifts all domestic coronavirus restrictions on Monday, June 8, after its final COVID-19 patient was given the all-clear. While strict border controls will remain in place, New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern says restrictions such as social distancing and limits on public gatherings are no longer needed. Ardern says she is, quote, confident we have eliminated transmission of the virus in New Zealand for now. New Zealand had no new infections for 17 days. Ardern reveals she danced around in her living room with her daughter when told about the milestone. This means New Zealand's nightclubs can operate without dance floor restrictions, theaters will reopen, and sporting events can proceed with crowds in the stands. In the United States, New York City partially reopens its shattered economy after almost 3 months of lockdown. About 400,000 New Yorkers are allowed to return to work. Retailers begin offering limited in-store and curbside pickup, and construction and manufacturing also resume operations. The World Health Organization also reports a record number of new cases globally, warning the health crisis is worsening worldwide. 136,000 cases have been reported within 24 hours, the most in a single day so far, with the majority of them in the Americas and South Asia. In the Philippines, coronavirus cases rise to 22,992 as of Tuesday, June 9, with 1,017 deaths and 4,736 recoveries. Meanwhile, the World Bank says the coronavirus pandemic caused the broadest collapse of the global economy since 1870, despite unprecedented government support. In its latest Global Economic Prospects report, the World Bank says the world economy is expected to contract by 5.2% in 2020, the worst recession in 80 years. But the sheer number of countries suffering economic losses means the downturn is worse than any recession in 150 years. The depth of the crisis will drive 70 to 100 million people into extreme poverty.